Searching for a position that lets you sleep? You're far from alone. Nearly half of Americans report being unable to sleep on planes. And as airline seats have shrunk by up to 4 inches in the past 3 decades, catching even a few winks at 35,000 feet feels almost impossible. But don't lose hope. Today, we're revealing 7 secret tips from top ergonomics experts to help you sleep as comfortably as possible in economy class. Yes, it's not first class, but these tips can make it feel a whole lot better. If you find these tips useful, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, leave a comment with your own weird but effective plane sleep hacks. We love learning from fellow travelers. Let's dive in. 1. Accept imperfection and embrace the experience. The ultimate tip is mindset. Know that economy seats weren't made for perfect sleep. Even pros rate them 3 or 4 out of 10 for comfort. But once you let go of needing perfection, you can relax and even doze off. Positive mindset. Tell yourself rest is good enough. Don't stress if sleep doesn't come immediately. Comfort boosts. Treat yourself. Bring a treat, a favorite snack, or download a movie to look forward to post-nap. Recovery plan. Know you'll rest when you land. Whether it's a nap, a hot shower, or a slow day, have a recovery plan ready. 2. Use sleep aids cautiously. Sometimes you need an extra nudge. Melatonin, a natural sleep hormone. Take it based on your destination's bedtime to adjust your internal clock. Herbal aids, chamomile tea, lavender oil, or magnesium supplements can help calm your nerves. OTC meds, use Tylenol PM or similar with caution. They work for some, but can cause grogginess. Prescription meds, use only under medical guidance. These are strong and should never be used lightly. Sleep gadgets, eye masks, acupressure bands, or lumbar massagers may help, but always test them before the big trip. 3. Create a sleep ritual. Your body craves routine. Replicate your usual bedtime steps to trigger sleep. Mini bedtime routine, read, listen to calming music, or meditate just like at home. Even brushing your teeth in the lavatory helps. White noise or soothing sounds. Use apps or in-flight entertainment to listen to calming audio. Dim your space. Turn off your light. Use a hoodie or blanket to create a cozy cocoon. Even if sleep doesn't come quickly, your body will begin to relax. 4. Hydrate but skip the latte. Staying hydrated is crucial. Dry air on planes saps your body fast. But not all drinks are helpful. Bring a water bottle. Don't rely on small plastic cups. Bring a refillable bottle and sip often. Avoid caffeine. Skip coffee, tea, or energy drinks at least 6 to 10 hours before sleeping. Caffeine lingers and ruins sleep. Limit alcohol. While a glass of wine might make you drowsy, alcohol can disrupt your sleep cycle. Eat smart. Heavy meals or sugar can mess with your stomach and energy. Choose light, easily digestible foods. 5. Build a DIY sleep kit. Channel your inner flight attendant and prep a personal comfort kit. You don't need to fly business class to get the business class sleep experience. Neck pillow. Choose memory foam or ergonomically shaped pillows. The Cabo Evolution S3 and the Turtle Pillow are favorites. Lumbar support. Use a small pillow or rolled sweater behind your lower back. It makes a bigger difference than you'd think. Noise blockers. Earplugs or noise-canceling headphones are essential. The hum of engines is as loud as city traffic. Blanket or scarf. Airline blankets are thin and reused. Bring your own lightweight blanket or use a large scarf. Extras. Lip balm, eye drops, and a portable footrest can boost comfort. Keep everything in a small pouch under the seat in front of you. This kit isn't just about physical comfort. Assembling it is part of mentally preparing to sleep. 6. Dress like you're going to bed, not the club. Yes, airports are full of fashion, but on a long-haul flight, comfort trumps style. Dress like you're preparing for a cozy night in. Loose and breathable clothes. Ditch stiff jeans or formal wear. Think joggers, leggings, and soft t-shirts. Layers. Cabin temps can swing wildly between warm and freezing. Wear layers like a hoodie or shawl so you can adjust on the fly. Cozy socks. Cold feet kill comfort. Pack thick socks or slipper socks. Bonus. You can ditch your shoes and still stay warm. Multitask gear. A soft eye mask can double as a headband or sweatband, keeping hair out of your face and light out of your eyes. 7. Pick the right seat before you board. Your sleep experience begins the moment you choose your seat. According to an ergonomics expert, there's no truly comfortable position in economy, but the right seat gives you the best fighting chance. Window seat. Always pick the window if possible. It gives you something to lean against and ensures you won't be disturbed by others climbing over you. Avoid noisy zones. Stay away from seats near restrooms and galleys. These areas get constant foot traffic and noise. Aisle versus middle. The aisle offers more stretch room, but increases the risk of being bumped by carts or passengers. Extra legroom. Consider exit row or bulkhead seats. These give you more room, but beware, some may not recline and could be close to baby bassinets. Use SeatGuru.com to find the best options on your specific aircraft. If you enjoyed these tips, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel hacks. Got your own secret tip for sleeping in economy? Drop it in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, may your flights be smooth and your dreams be sweet. Thanks for watching.